Today we're diving into Amazon Associates, one of the biggest affiliate programs on the internet. Whether you're a beginner looking to make your first dollar or an experienced marketer exploring new opportunities, Amazon Associates can offer a lot. So let's start by exploring what Amazon Associates is all about. Amazon Associates is an affiliate marketing program where you promote products on Amazon, and in return, you earn a commission whenever someone buys through your referral links. The program offers a huge range of products, and it's available in multiple countries, making it a popular choice for affiliate marketers. Setting up your account is straightforward. You simply sign up on their website, provide some details about how you plan to promote the products, and you're good to go. Once you're approved, you can start generating affiliate links to products of your choice. The great thing about Amazon Associates is the vast product selection. There are millions of products to choose from, meaning you can pick products that align with your niche, whether it's tech, home goods, or even niche hobbies. This variety makes it easier to find products your audience will trust and want to buy. When it comes to commissions, Amazon Associates is known for offering a lower rate compared to some other affiliate programs. However, the volume of traffic that Amazon attracts means that even a small commission can add up quickly, especially if you promote high-ticket items or products with a good sales volume. But there are some challenges. One downside is the short 24-hour cookie window. This means that the user must purchase a product within 24 hours of clicking your referral link for you to earn a commission. Also, Amazon's commission structure varies by product category, which can be frustrating if you're working with low commission items. The user interface of the Amazon Associates dashboard is fairly intuitive, but it can be overwhelming for beginners due to the number of features and reports available. However, once you get the hang of it, it becomes easier to track clicks, conversions, and earnings. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. In terms of payment, Amazon Associates offers a variety of payout methods, including direct deposit and gift cards, which makes it relatively easy to get paid. However, the threshold for payouts is relatively high, which means you need to generate a certain amount of sales before you receive any earnings. One thing that stands out about Amazon Associates is its reputation. Being one of the most recognized brands in the world, Amazon provides affiliates with a level of trust that many other programs can't match. Visitors to your site or content are more likely to click on Amazon links because they know and trust the platform. But if you're serious about scaling your affiliate marketing business, you may want to diversify your income streams. While Amazon Associates is a great starting point, the commission rate can limit long-term growth. It's worth considering other affiliate networks or programs once you're comfortable with the basics. Overall, Amazon Associates is a great way for beginners to start affiliate marketing, and it can be quite profitable for those who know how to leverage the massive product selection and traffic Amazon gets. But it's important to be aware of the limitations, like the low commissions and short cookie window. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips about affiliate marketing and other opportunities.